Okay, so the sheetrock replacement right through complete home residence with our customer. We are doing sheetrock repair through complete home, just to give you a little basic of what we are doing. And once we finish replacing all the sheetrocks, we're gonna retexture the wall, all the walls, and make sure everything is uniform with painting. We're gonna also put in a panel, access panel, because she had a water intrusion where she want access to the wall to make sure she have access to get it done. And then we also patch underneath the sink areas where they have water intrusion, and inside underneath the garage area, heater area. Choose Weston's paint.